Hello everyone, frustrated with Android Auto not working on your Android phone? Here's how to fix that. So first of all, I recommend you to open up your settings. After that, locate your connected devices tab, then scroll down to Android Auto. In here, locate your startup option and tap on it. Make sure that it's set on always, because sometimes it may just not start automatically, and this was the main issue. However, if the issue persists, I recommend you to swipe down from the top right corner, locate your Bluetooth if you're connected to Android Auto with Bluetooth, of course, and to turn it off and then turn it back on, and simply to reconnect to your vehicle, because sometimes that fixes a lot of problems. However, if you use wires to connect to your car, try out connecting a different device once again to your car. If maybe it's not an issue of your car or your phone, maybe that's an issue of a wire, so simply change it. Great. As the next step, let's go back to our settings and scroll down to your apps tab. There we are. Here locate your Android Auto. So first of all, let's tap on permissions and let's make sure that all the necessary permissions are given. If this is the case, let's go back once again. Let's press force stop just to rewind the whole system. So press force stop, confirm your choice by pressing OK, and let's keep up. Now locate your storage, tap on it, press clear cache, and now simply press clear data right here at the bottom and confirm your choice by pressing delete. Basically, that is it. Also, one good advice, do not forget to check whether your device has any updates going on, because if it does, simply perform the update. So let's check if we have any. Yep, we do. I'll do that a little bit later, so do not forget to do this. And after update it's done, or simply just so you know, it's always good to reboot your phone from time to time, because it's Android, they function like this. So choose your restart option, and basically that's it. I really hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.